Hey guys, welcome to a quick trade recap on the trades that I took on the 17th of February 2026. We're halfway through the month, it's going extremely well. I'm really happy with the trades I've been taking so far. I did not take a trade today. I was about to take some shorts, which I'll go over right now. But, oh my god, I got done so dirty. But yeah, cool. Let's start off with the 4-hour time frame. I just want to make this video nice and short. But if I pull it back right here, this is just before market open. So this candle was going around moving. So on this candle exactly, as you can see, we closed bearish. We are in a clear bearish trend. We are breaking below lows, breaking below another low, breaking below another low. What does that scream? Bearish trend. What are we going to go down to? In my opinion, if you watched my video 2 days ago, I think we're going to go down to this fair value gap. But as you can see, we've inversed it. So that just confirms to me, okay, we want to go down. Cool. Now, I go on to the hourly. As you can see, on the hour time frame, we are extremely bearish. I think this candle did not yet print. This is the actual 9 o'clock candle. As you can see, again, broke below this low, broke below this low. We're respecting bearish fair value gaps. As you can see, we bounced off this fair value gap and dumped down. We bounced off this fair value gap and dumped down. We bounced off this slim fair value gap and went down. We went on this fair value gap, tapped in and went down. It's just the same thing over and over again. Nice and simple, bro. This is so repetitive. Like, it comes to the point where, like, you can literally see this happen in the market so many times. You wonder how trading is even allowed. Okay, that just sounds stupid. But anyway, you get the point. We're extremely bearish. What are some of the time frames and the zones that I'm looking at? The first thing I had drawn out was this hourly fair value gap. So if you look at this hourly fair value gap right here, the reason I selected this hourly fair value gap for one of the zones that I wanted to show out of is because, actually, sorry, I drew it wrong. It's from this candle right here. The reason I picked this hourly fair value gap to short out of, sorry, is because we have a low sitting right below 50% of it. So that's an extremely sensitive point where we can expect price to go down. No other zones on the hourly, if I'm being honest. Maybe this zone right here, but this is low-key a stretch. At that point, I don't even know if I'll continue being bearish, but I'll draw it out anyway. The reason I'm drawing it out is because we've got this high sitting above it, so I'd want to see a sweep of this high and then for us to come down. And yeah, okay, that's the 4-hour, that's the hourly, the 30-minute, same story. I'm not going to draw out the same low. I guess you could go for this right here, so this gap, along with this sweep right here. 15-minute, pretty much same thing. All right, now we need targets. For targets, scroll to the left, just look at any swing points. This swing point, this swing point, this swing point, and this swing point. Cool. We got bias. 15-minute, as you can see, we're extremely bearish, breaking below lows. The reason this doesn't turn me bullish is because it's a wick. Guys, remember, wicks cause the damage, bodies tell the stories. So, as you can see, this is a strong wick up. It just looks like a strong manipulation, whilst we are breaking below these lows. For me to be bullish, I would want to see us break above these highs with strong displacement, body close above it, and I would want to see us disrespect this hourly, because then we pretty much have very low resistance. I can imagine price coming up to this hourly fair value gap once we've disrespected this hourly fair value gap down here. But what I'm expecting is for this hourly fair value gap to hold and push price down, because I'm bearish on all time frames and we got lower targets. So this is what I thought coming into the market. Now if I just play price action, calm. We're at 9:30. Market's about to open. Let me drag this out a bit. Calm. Let's play price out. So what I want to see is I want to see us sweep this high, which we just did, and now I want to see price run down and tell me, like, price needs to speak to me like, all right, I'm coming down. And when we see like these back to back to back to back down candles, that's basically price telling you, all right, it's time to come down, get ready to short. All right, let me tell you why I didn't enter this trade just yet. We invest the 1 minute, cool. I need to go to the 2 minute. 2 minute, we inverse right here. Cool. That looks good. 3 minute, we just inversed it on this close. But the 5 minute, as you can see, if I draw the 5 minute out right here, we have not inversed this yet. Would I enter? No, because we can reverse up, maybe sweep this high and then come down. So I was not taking that risk. I want to wait for the 5 minute to close. I play the next 5 minute candle. And as you can see, this really annoyed me because look, we just missed the inverse. I needed this body to close below here. I remember I was at work. I had my phone ready to press the sell button right here. But let me guys show you on the 1 minute. Look, we were about to close and literally in the last 2 minutes, we just ripped back up. Bro, if we closed here, this would have been such a good trade. But again, I'm going to stick to my rules. If you guys watched my videos from yesterday, do you remember? If I don't take my confluences, which means the 5 minutes to also inverse, my win rate drastically drops and I'm not going to take that risk. But I was planning on covering this high if this was an inverse, going break even on this line and targeting this low for a quick 2R. And as you can see, everything I said about price was correct. The trade would have worked out, but I did not enter because this 5 minute fair value gap, let me draw it out very simply. I can't make it any more easier. You see this 5 minute gap right here, this highlighted zone. I will only enter once price goes below this. And we only went below right here. And price was too close to all my draw. I can't be taking it here. Because if I take it here, where's my stop loss going to go? We have to cover all these gaps. It's just not happening, I'm going to be honest. This entry would have been ideal if I got this entry right here, covered this high, and then maybe targeted these lows. Quick 1-2-1, done with my day. But obviously, stuff happens in it. Like, life happens, we don't get our entry, it's just a bit sad. But yeah, after that we went up. So I was correct about where price wanted to go. I wanted to see these lows get swept as well down here, but I don't think we got that. Oh, maybe. No, we didn't. So yeah, we went back up. But anyway, it doesn't matter if my bias after that was correct or incorrect. What matters is the fact that I called this short. It was about to happen, but one of my confluences did not align, so I didn't take it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the recap. Hopefully, I don't even know if there's news this week, actually. Let's have a look. So yesterday was bank holiday, I didn't trade. Today, okay, this happened like 2 hours ago, never mind. Oh, this is tomorrow, sorry, okay. I feel like tomorrow we're gonna have really bad price action because usually FOMC minutes, we tend to trade really slowly up until the minutes come out, which is in PM session, but I don't trade PM session. But I'll keep an eye on the charts anyway. Maybe we see a clean setup form. Who knows? Anyway, catch you guys tomorrow. Take care.